What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got something from Concept, and I believe this was Launch 20. All right, I really like the Launch series, like total phenomenal knives. I've gotten the handle. I own the Launch 13, freaking love it. I've gotten to handle like 4 or 5 of them also additionally, and honestly, I have maybe four of them additionally. Great. They're all like phenomenal. Like they're pretty good knives, and they're not like overly expensive either. Like they're expensive, but not like stupid expensive, I guess you could say. They're nice and affordable, like nicer knives. All right, so we got just nothing else in there. Got the little Kershaw scan for important information. We'll put that back. We don't need that. It is that is the Launch 20. It is a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. Is there any more information on it? Nope, just says Launch 20. Um, yeah, I won't lie. Thought it was going to be a little bigger. It just looked a little bigger on the reviews I saw of it. So this is, I guess it's not bad. It's not too small. Let's try it out. Snappy. All right. Maybe it's just because the handle is thin. Maybe that's what it is. It does seem like a little bit smaller knife, but it sits like thinner along the handle. So that's kind of nice, I guess. But it's not really much like, here's a Devo Lush, so it's not really much smaller than that. So it's just the handle's a little thinner. Obviously, you have an automatic button lock right there. Super nice. Their Launch series, their button locks like that, automatic button locks are pretty nice. I really am impressed with them. They are nice and snappy. Obviously, I like my arc form. What's it? Slim foot. It's got like a ProTech. I guess they did a collaboration with ProTech. So I guess maybe they did the opener for it, the button lock for it, and it's pretty snappy. This is pretty close to it though. Like it works, it thumps too. Let's take a look at everything. All right, so you have a nice little carbon fiber inlay right there, and and the pocket clip is reversible, which is nice. Screws are recessed. Pocket clip is not though, which you have a. It's not probably titanium. It's probably just aluminum. Aluminum handle. Oh, there's no inserts or anything. Well, I guess I don't know. Crap. I guess they don't have inserts. Yeah, I was trying. I'm thinking of my Launch 13. I don't. It doesn't have an insert or anything like that in there either. So yeah, so it's all one piece except for the obviously it put together. Little lanyard post, I guess you could say. Is that what they're called? Lanyard post. See, I don't know. I think that's what they do. That's what they call it, but I don't like it because if it sticks out a little bit, like the cord, the paracord or whatever, if it sticks down in there just a little bit, like the blade's right there. Like over time, it's just gradually going to start cutting on it, right? Crazy, right? That's what I think. I don't know. Just me. I do like the blade, like a nice little Warncliffe or sheep's foot. I don't know exactly which one it is. I like the jimping though. Jimping's nice too. It's MagnaCut as well. I forgot to tell you guys that MagnaCut. It's an in-house design and USA made. Yeah, that thing thumps. I like that. Like I said, I'm really impressed with their Launch series. They do a great job. Nice little satin blade right there. Belt looks like belt satin. Nice and shiny. Um, Not really much else to say. These are kind of simple. Like they're not really okay. They're not really simple, but they're just kind of really cool knives. I really like them. And something popped up on the. There we go. The camera. Sorry. I don't know. My phone sucks sometimes. But that's all I really got. I ain't got a lot to say about it just yet. It does feel like good in hand ergonomically, like it feels great. It does feel small though. It really does in hand. That might be good for some. That might be bad. Um, Even for me, I have like average size hands, I guess you could say. It's kind of stubby little fingers. Some I don't know what you. I guess you could say stubby little fingers. I don't know, but I would say average hands, and I have just a little bit of real estate, not much, and obviously not going to choke up on it. It does have a sharpening, yeah, a little choil right there for sharpening. That might not be too bad for sharpening. Might be alright. Nothing skeletonized or kind of hollowed out or anything like that on there to help with weight reduction. But this thing is already really freaking light though. I mean like, probably I'm going to say when I, probably 2 ounces? Probably 2 ounces. Like it's light. And it is smooth though. And it definitely thumps and hits that post. But yeah, I like it. It looks nice too, just like ergonomically and just like aesthetically, like it's a nice knife. That's all I really got though. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything like that, I'll have a final review out on this thing. Excuse me, apparently I'm hitting puberty as of lately. Um, but yeah, pretty dope little knife. I'll have to get my Launch 13 out, kind of do a quick comparison also with them at the same time. Um, yeah, actually I have it right here. Actually, I'll show you guys up front real quick. Just give me like 2 seconds because it's right here. This is my baby. I like this one. Yeah, okay, so no scales, nothing like that. All like 2 pieces put together. Yeah, so this has the lanyard post on it also. I don't know why. I hate that thing. I wonder which is... So it's a little bit smaller than the Launch 13, like lengthwise. I mean like a smidge. I don't know. It feels lighter too, this one does, so... Not bad though. I really like their Launch series, man. I'm telling you, they're freaking nice. I do like how they started recessing the screws though. That's nice. They didn't on the 13. And I can't remember if they did it on the other ones, to tell you the truth. Blade is nice and centered also. So not too shabby. They do a pretty good job on the jimping as well. Like my jimping on this one is pretty phenomenal. I like it. As well as this. This one feels pretty much the same stuff. I like them. Great knives. Check them out. Kershaw's, check out the Launch series. USA made. They have some great knives coming out from through the Launch series. They have other great knives coming out also. Some of them are China design or China, coming from China, but these are USA right here. So the Launch series USA. Some of the other ones are USA or China. So you kind of have to be on the lookout for what you want. But that's all I really got, guys. If you have any comments or questions, just let me leave it down in the comment section. And if you like the videos, leave a thumbs up, guys. Thanks.